Welcome to Policing TV. I'm joined by Inspector Caroline Hay of the City of London Police, who is also a key member of the WeCops team. Caroline, tell us why we're recording this at this moment here on Policing TV.
Well, we're really excited to release the fact that we are going to have our first in-person event, which will be a conference, and it will be based on all of our previous WeCops chats.
And tell us about WeCops. What is WeCops, bearing in mind that some of the audience will be outside the UK, some of the audience in the UK may not yet know about WeCops. Tell us about what WeCops entails.
So, WeCops is a bi-weekly interactive chat that we've always run on the Twitter platform, now known as the X platform. But we've now launched onto LinkedIn as well because we've had some issues using just that one platform. We had a website which, through the issues with X, has now become challenging. So we're working with Virgin Media Business to launch a brand new website. And so, really, the conference will launch with the website, and we'll be looking at a much more interactive way of discussing police topics. So, every other week, we discuss something completely different. This week is a race action plan. We've previously had neighbourhood policing weeks. It's just completely different. And the idea is that we have people from across society adding into the policing debate, and we become that sort of professional debating platform.
So it is that opportunity to debate the topic of that particular fortnight. So the WeCops team publish a question, or rather three questions. You then have a background paper that accompanies that. And it's a very productive debate that you then facilitate on those typically Wednesday evenings, 9 p.m. from memory UK time, and also on the LinkedIn platform. Tell us more about what it is that you're hoping to achieve with this in-person event. Who, for example, are amongst the speakers that you've identified?
Yeah, so something that we've always been really keen on from WeCops is that we connect senior officers with more frontline officers so that we get that debate really across the section. And that's what we're hoping for our in-person conference as well, is that we will have members, chief constables, leads for the NPCC, for the National Police Chiefs Council, and also the people that they've hosted with. So we've had Brick Cop, who's somebody that works in the Met. He's a frontline sergeant.
Okay, so Brick Cop, of course, is an alias. That's not the actual. That's not the chap's name. But he is. So he that individual. I'm assuming he actually is amongst those who are speaking in person at this event. Is that correct?
So we are hoping that he will come along, and as I say, we're hoping that we will match chief constables and people that are working for the National Police Chiefs Council with frontline officers, so that we have lightning talks that are really productive and actually reflect what our officers see day in, day out, and have that real broad spectrum on that policing debate, because I think that's really important, and a really massive part of WeCops is connecting the frontline to senior leaders, because actually it's what I've always believed in, that the frontline have a lot to say, and it's really good to give them the platform to say it. And sometimes we get the anonymous characters that do come into the debate, but that a lot of what they say is really valid, and sometimes they don't have that platform to deliver it. And we've found that actually through WeCops, people have been really respectful and professional, but it might be that they say things that they might not necessarily say out in a meeting to a senior officer.
So this event coming up very shortly, this in-person event, do you see this as a one-off, or do you think that this will be something that will carry on a regular basis in the future?
Yeah, I'm definitely hopeful that it will be an annual event. I think the whole point of WeCops is getting that delivery across a broad spectrum. So, in policing, we often have a lot of research going on, or we have a lot of the 43 forces doing things differently. And this is a really good chance to share learning and doing that in person and networking, so that the people in your phone that you've seen online become that real life person. We've had mentors connect through this. We've had people from different forces come together and create their own networks from it. So that's what the conference really is about, is bringing to life some of these amazing connections that we've all made over the last 8 years through WeCops and through the Twitter platform, and just spreading that out now through the online website, through LinkedIn, and because we know that working together is the key to success, and it's something that we really fall apart with in policing, doing everything 43 different ways with many a time different technologies as well. So, we're really keen to bring people together in this way.
So, Caroline, thank you very much indeed for that. Policing Insight will be covering the WeCops in-person conference, as indeed has Policing Insight. Policing Insight has been covering the WeCops fortnightly chats. We're very much looking forward to that, and we wish you and the WeCops team all the best in that event.